Well, welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an automatic leaderboard in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're tracking scores, performance metrics, or any data that needs to be ranked dynamically, and it updates itself automatically whenever you change the numbers. First, head over to your browser and type in workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your Google account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the workspace where your spreadsheet is stored. This step is essential as it gives you access to all your Google Sheets files and the tools you need to create your automatic leaderboard. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. Here you'll see all your recent files and folders. Look for the spreadsheet where you want to create your automatic leaderboard and simply click on it to open it. If you don't have a spreadsheet ready yet, you can create a new one, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you already have some data prepared. Now, let's say you have a sample data set with two columns, one column for names and another for scores. For example, you might have names like John, Sarah, Carl, and others listed vertically with their corresponding scores right next to them. This is the data we'll use to build our leaderboard that automatically sorts by the highest score. To create the leaderboard, click on an empty cell where you want your sorted data to appear. This could be in a separate section of the same sheet or even on a different tab. Once you've clicked that cell, type equals sign sort open parenthesis. This is the beginning of the formula that will do all the sorting work for you. Next, you need to select the range of data you want to sort. For this example, let's say your data spans from A2 to B8. So you'll type A2:B8 after the open parenthesis. This tells Google Sheets which cells contain the information you want to include in your leaderboard. After selecting the range, type a comma. Now you need to specify which column to sort by. Since the scores are in the second column, type the number 2. This tells the formula to sort the data based on the values in the second column of your selected range. Type another comma, and now comes the part that makes your leaderboard sort from highest to lowest. Type falls in capital letters. This parameter ensures that the data is sorted in descending order, meaning the highest score appears at the top. If you type true instead, it would sort from lowest to highest, which isn't what we want for a leaderboard. Close the formula with a closing parenthesis and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Instantly, you'll see your data appear in sorted order with the highest score at the top. This is your automatic leaderboard, and the best part is that it's dynamic. To see the magic in action, try adjusting one of the scores in your original data. For example, find Carl's score and change it to 100. As soon as you enter that new value and press Enter, watch what happens to your leaderboard. It automatically updates and repositions Carl's name based on his new score. You don't have to manually rearrange anything or reapply the formula. The leaderboard adjusts itself in real time, and that's it. You've successfully created an automatic leaderboard in Google Sheets that updates dynamically whenever your data changes. This simple formula saves you time and keeps your rankings accurate without any extra effort. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.